All right, so this is Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. It's a super family fun game. It's exactly like what it sounds like. You get a taco card, a cat card, a goat card, a cheese card, and a pizza card. So you have Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza card. Now, what you do is each person will get a set number of cards, and you will put the cards down on the table. And whenever you put a card down, you'll say taco, and then you'll say cat, and then you'll say goat, and then you'll say cheese, and then you'll say pizza. And if you flip over the corresponding card, everyone has to try and slap that card as fast as they can. And the last person to slap it has to take all those cards. So the object of the game is to get rid of all your cards. There are also 3 specialty cards. You get a gorilla, you get a groundhog, and you get a narwhal. Now, if you get the gorilla, you got to beat your chest and then hit the cards. If you get a groundhog, you have to tap the table and then hit the card. And if you get narwhal, you got to make this cool little horn on your head and then hit the cards. So we'll go ahead and deal this out, and we'll show you how we play real quick. Taco.
Cat.
Wait.
Oh.
Goat.
You lose.
Taco.
Cat.
You lose again.
Taco.
Cat. Goat.
You lose again.
Taco.
Groundhog. Did he do something wrong?
It doesn't tap.
Oh, you didn't tap? Oh, and if you do the wrong thing, you also lose. So if you flinch or you do the wrong thing, like slap the wrong card, or if you beat your chest instead of tapping the table, or give horns and instead of beating your chest, then you lose or flinch. So it's super fun, but once you get it down, it's super fast paced and super easy and super fun for the entire family. We all love it. I highly recommend this game. So check out Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza.